Hey guys, I'm gonna take a vacation out on the Spoil Island. A lot of kayaking, camping, and fishing. I hope you come along. Yeah, we're at North Bridge. That's where we're putting in. Anyways, Kim's here. Hi Kim.
Hi guys.
Capone's. We got Scrappy. She's got to go to work tonight, so she's just gonna help me get some extra gear out there. All right, let's get out on the water. We're getting Kim back to land. She's going to work, and we're going camping. Spook you. Don't give me a stroke, guys. All right, guys, we're back at the campsite. Got it mostly cleaned up. I just hauled all the trash out of here when I brought Kim to land, so we got it all cleaned up. A little bit of wood. I got to gather a lot more of that, but we got Scrappy here. He's wore out. We're all set in here for the most part. Man, you get sand everywhere out here, I know that. Anyways, yeah, I'm pretty much all set. There's all the good stuff. Got a bag of rice, protein bars, my Sawyer Mini, just in case. Bottle of rum, gotta have the rum. Some dog food, water, juices. But got a little stove in case it rains, and a little frying pan back there. Yeah, looks good enough. Looks like that's going to conclude day one. We're just chilling by the fire. A lot of today was just setting up and, you know, doing what we needed to do. No-see-ums are eating me up. Hoping this fire helps somewhat. So far it's not. We've got the whole island to ourselves. We're just chill right now. Guess he sees a fire, huh? Maybe he'll send help. All right, day one is coming to an end. Love you guys. Peace out, huh? Good night. Good morning. We had a rough night last night. Woke up about 2 o'clock. Pouring rain, wind. The no-see-ums are brutal. I mean, I haven't found anything to keep these no-see-ums from biting us. This Repel Sportsman Max 40% DEET, it works really good. Anyways, thank God for that stuff. Happy, we gotta find some wood. Check this place out, huh guys? Pretty wild. There's so many vines, everything's locked right in there. So it's gonna take some work. There's not much firewood on these islands, guys. Bring firewood. We're gonna call it right here. I gotta get some more firewood. The next 3 days of this 40-degree weather. All right, love you, peace out. All right guys, we're on day 3. Woke up to 40 degrees. I think it went down to the upper 30s last night, so it was cold for us, Florida boys. Stop eating my hat. Pretty cool. Good boy, Scrap. You eating clams? Sure. He's been foraging this whole trip. Found a hat. You guys will be seeing me in this dolphin hat. Like I just washed ashore. What'd you find for us, Scrappy? Huh? I found a little tackle box with a couple little jigs in it. Hat. What do you got to show? You ate everything you found. Hang this hat up so I can forget it with my jacket over there. That's been here for a year. How's it doing? Pretty good. Those are tough jackets, boy. I left it here in case somebody got stuck out here and we're cold. Kim's gonna be coming out here. She's gonna spend the night with us. Then she'll take Scrappy home. Turned out to be a beautiful day. Anyways, I gotta go get wood. That's not gonna be enough to keep them warm tonight, so. Watch out for the tent, guys. Get him, Capone. Get Scrappy. Don't let that Scrappy. Get him, Capone. I guess we know why we call him Scrappy, guys, huh? He can scrap now. Hey guys, Kim's here for the night. She's gonna freeze with us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's psyched. She brought food. Yeah, good thing, because I'd starve out here.
And he's cooking, not me this time.
I'm cooking sausage on the grill. We're burning them just fine by the looks, so yeah. They ain't bad. They're doing good. Oh, they're looking good. All right. Yeah, they're not bad. They're looking good. Those bratwursts were awesome. Awesome, huh, Kim?
Awesome, right to a T.
Sausage and Kim coming was great. Phone, I know you already sold me out. Say good night, guys.
Night.
Morning, guys. Day 4. Beautiful sunrise. Beautiful. All right, let's get coffee going. Cold night, Mama.
Especially with Capone's hug and everything. Oh.
All right, guys, cooking our bacon. We're gonna have breakfast and get Kim on land. Look good, Kim?
Yes, it does.
2 eggs apiece. Breakfast is served. Kim, how was that breakfast, huh?
Oh, it was awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I don't want to go home tonight.
Yeah, but we all can't play.
Yeah, I know. Some of us have to work.
Yeah. You just keep working so I can play. Alright guys, we got Kim. Kim's gone. It's Thursday afternoon. Hey, big girl. Hey. Getting kind of close. Are you okay? Check that sky out, huh? Wow. A lot of stuff going on there. Crazy sky. Swishmar, look at that shit. Boom, 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 all the way behind us. Crazy. Nothing to see here, folks. Go back to sleep. Pretty deep. I ain't getting out on that. Alright, I found our next campsite. Check this out. Nice. Very nice. Wow, check this place out. Two picnic tables? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Nice little lagoon right here, though. It was adopted by Motorized Kayak Adventures. That's a way to roll, huh, guys? Take photos, leave footprints. Nice. You gotta bring wood out here. Cutting, removing, destroying mangroves is illegal. That's just good common sense right there. Yeah, pretty cool. Very cool indeed. I don't think I could walk across that, though. I'll have to get in a kayak over there. Very nice, huh, guys? Pretty cool. Nice. You stand on this, swing out there. What a great place to come with a family, though, huh? I'm gonna hit that rope swing at high tide. It's low tide right now. Looks like another campsite over there, guys. Bench. Nice. Nice little island. Great place to spend with the family. Barbecue and everything on this one, guys. Nice. charcoal, guys. How you doing? Morning. It sure is. Sure is. Can't beat this. Oh, I know. It's been brutal. It's more family oriented. Yeah. Let's check this island out, huh? Camp spots. Ain't gonna find that on my island. Alright, any trails? Finding some tinder. That's what we use here, guys. This stuff right here. Can't find that on my island, so I'm taking some. Exploring and fishing. But it's pretty big. I've never seen so many flip-flops in my life since I've been out here. Get it. Man, that beats using a bucket, I'll tell you. Good to know. Good to have a toilet. Nice grill. They left it in a shambles. What a shame. If I had a boat, I'd pull it out. But this is a real nice camp spot too. Bug spray. Definitely bring bug spray. How's that, guys? Check it out. Alright, let's not hit that tree and get all messed up. I just realized it's very cold. I'm cold. I'm out of shape. I'm not a teenager anymore. But that was fun. Yeah, had to do that before I left. We're hitting Jack Island all along the side. Found a place to take a break. Jack Island. Elliott Tower. Sponsored by the Audubon Society. Alright, let's check it out. Check this place out, huh guys? How cool is that? Okay guys, we got a camera down. Came out of its case and got wet. The case popped open, the camera fell in the water, so I lost a lot of footage. Check that out, huh? Nice. Heading to the flats. Nice, check that out. Huh? How cool is that? Whole bunch of them. There we go. Up close and personal. The bird's with him. Smart bird, huh? Check that out. Whoa. Check that out, guys. Smart pelican. Looking for a free meal. Pretty wild. Good to see, huh? Today? Spooky. I got a feeling they're in here. Nice. Alright guys, we got mullet. Big old mullet. Wow. Check them mullet out. Holy cow. Woo! Smoked mullet, guys. Wow. We rinse this out. Rinse them off. Oh, some bad boys, huh, guys? Catch them, net them, huh? That's what I always say. We're gonna be eating mullet. Nice mullet too. Look at the size of these guys. Alright. Pretty cool fish, man. Alright, let's get a fire going, huh? We got our tinder, we got off the palm. Check this out. Alright guys, we're running out of light. Let's prepare the, I let two go. I just kept them two. Maybe I'll fillet one because I'm starving and then throw the other one on whole. Alright, hold on. Get this done. Using the Thrasher dive knife. It's great for scaling. Let's go ahead and put them out. Alright, turn your head, guys. You want to see this. They're vegetarian, so. Alright, ripped out his heart. Got a big heart in him. Alright. Well, yeah, this knife is awesome for this. Look how quick that is. Yeah, awesome. Alright, that's done. This guy I'm gonna fillet, so not gonna gut him. Nice. All right, Get this one cleaned up. Get them on the fire. Hold on. All right. Robert Agri Chilling Outdoors, famous seasoning. I should sell it. We'll get it all in there. Alright. Nice. Put him in the back. Yeah, he'll smoke slowly. Tend my fire here. Nice. Alright, let's get this guy filleted. I'll get back with you after the fillet. You're not a fillet fish. Alright, let's get these washed up, get them on the fire. I think I'm gonna pan fry these guys. I think that'll be best. We're looking good. We got the whole mullet sitting way in the back, smoking slowly. I got this frying up. This is my main concern right now with these guys, and they're looking good. Got my seasoning on them, and they're frying up nicely. I never had mullet. I had smoked mullet. Never had fried mullet, so it'll be different. Got the coffee cooking. Don't look too bad, huh? Let's check it out. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's flaky. Much better than catfish. That's really good. Of course, my seasoning's really good, but man, that's flaky and everything. That's really good. I give that. With my seasoning, I give that a 10. That's really good. Not fishy. Wow, yeah. Cooking on in the olive oil. Fry it up. I give that a 10. How's this guy doing? This guy's done too, man. I'm impressed with my seasoning. I really am. It's got lemon pepper in it, Old Bay seasoning, garlic, onion. It's got, yeah, I wrote it down. Ooh, he's smoking good. He's gonna be good too. Oh yeah, perfect. Look how white that meat is, huh guys? I never thought mullet could be this good. Oh man, that is too good. All right, there's a cast net and cook right there, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Good night. All right, guys, we're back at the house. I got rained out. Had to get up out of there. One of my discs got wet. I lost a lot of footage. I had an epic day fishing yesterday. I just checked my memory card, and it's nothing from yesterday's on the memory card. But anyways, yeah, we caught a lot of snook and all small. Couple trout, a ton of jacks, a big bluefish. All right, anyways, I'm dried off. It's been a long night. I'm tired. I appreciate you watching my video and coming along on the Indian River Lagoon adventure. I had fun, that's for sure. All right, guys, until next time, huh? Love you. Peace out.